In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create 3 awesome CSS button hover effects using HTML and CSS. Subscribe to DevFix for more tutorials. Inside the body, create a div element. Set the class to container. Inside the container, create the first button element. Set the class to btn1. Type grow. Create the second button element. Set the class to btn2. Type fill. Create the third button element. Set the class to btn3. Type glow. Now target the container class. Set the display property. Type flex. Set the flex direction property. Type column. Set the align items property. Type center. Set the justify content property. Type center. Set the gap property. Type 25 pixels. Set the minimum height property. Type 100 viewport height. Set the font family property. Type system UI sans serif. Now target the btn class. Set the padding property. Type 20 pixels. Type 50 pixels. Set the font size property. Type 22 pixels. Set the font weight property. Type bold. Set the border property. Type 3 pixels. Type solid. Type midnight blue. Set the background property. Type transparent. Set the color property. Type midnight blue. Set the cursor property. Type pointer. Set the border radius property. Type 10 pixels. Set the transition property. Type 0.3 seconds. Type ease. Set the position property. Type relative. Set the width property. Type 250 pixels. Now target the hover state of the btn1 class. Set the transform property. Type scale. Open parenthesis. Type 1.08. Close parenthesis. Set the box shadow property. Type 0. Type 8 pixels. Type 30 pixels. Type raba. Open parenthesis. Type 0. Type 0. Type 0. Type 0.15. Close parenthesis. Now target the btn2 class. Set the overflow property. Type hidden. Now target the before pseudo element of the btn2 class. Set the content property. Type 2 single quotes. Set the position property. Type absolute. Set the top property. Type 0. Set the left property. Type -100%. Set the width property. Type 100%. Set the height property. Type 100%. Set the background property. Type royal blue. Set the transition property. Type 0.4 seconds. Type ease. Set the z-index property. Type -1. Now target the hover state of the btn2 class. Set the color property. Type white. Now target the before pseudo element on btn2 hover. Set the left property. Type 0. Now target the hover state of the btn3 class. Set the box shadow property. Type 0. Type 0. Type 20 pixels. Type royal blue. Then type a comma. Type 0. Type 0. Type 60 pixels. Type royal blue. Now set the color property. Type royal blue. And that's it. Your 3 CSS button hover effects are now complete. Subscribe to DevFix for more HTML and CSS tutorials.